Good evening, everybody. I was going to do an afterlife reading on Mollie Tibbetts, and I was waiting from the last reading to get a confirmation that she is indeed passed. And now that her body has been found and it's confirmed that it's her, let's see if we can link up with her a bit or get a feeling of where she's at now. See if any messages come or what flows. Okay, here we go. All right, so coming up to the image, it gets very heavy. And as one can see, the pendulum drops down. And now as it lifts, we'll just see what happens. So right now it's working on making a connection with her, with the energy there. Okay, so I, Mollie, am speaking with my energy spirit, for my voice is quietened and my thoughts are dulled, but still what is in my heart can unfold within this space. What I want to say is that when one has life, there is no way of knowing how long it will last. And this is what was true of me. I didn't know what would happen that day. I felt I had all day and my life ahead of me. And then this experience came to me and cut that off. Okay, so when I speak, my words don't come to my mind, but my heart will speak. It will speak to give some feeling of where I am at, and to let those know that love me and care for me to not be worried by me, and to give you a feeling that I am now, I see her there with her hands sort of crossed around her chest there, like I'm just no longer needing to defend or to protect myself from harm. And please know this, that okay, so please be kind to others. Pray for me, for I will feel your love and I will be helped by your love. Okay, my time is gone in this body, and life moves so quickly, changing so quickly, changes quickly. Okay, so it feels like things are quieting down, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get much more of a connection from this. And you can see, and now it's just stopping. So is the connection lost? I attempted one other reading and the same thing happened. I felt like we might go a little farther, but it isn't happening. So it seems that the connection is lost now, which isn't a bad thing. Okay, and again, the pendulum saying, no, that's not a bad thing. Just the energy shifted. But let's see if we can get a feeling of where things are going for Mollie in the future. And boy, this is the exact same thing that happened. It's saying no. I mean, it feels like it's just too early on. And that's all that one can say. Okay, so as I'm speaking, I did see some hearts kind of go around her, and it could be her way of sending love, or at least that feeling. And it feels like this is right. So that's all that I can get right now. And, who knows, maybe we can do another one later and see if it's getting bigger. So, but there's movement. The pendulum's moving to clear those energies away. Okay. Whatever is there that may weigh her down now or in the future. Just get that cleared away, and wishing her and her family the best, and blessings and love and light. Good night now.